welcome you to learn IUPAC nomenclature for organic compounds having one or more functional groups. Let us start from alphabets. IUPAC names for compounds with one functional groups mainly. We also consider more functional groups in the later stages. Suppose if a compound has a functional group COOH, compounds which have COOH functional group are called as carboxylic acids. Mind you that the carboxylic acids have C double bond OOH. This carbon is sp2 hybridized and these carboxylic acids name necessarily end with oic acid. Similarly, some compounds have SO3H as functional group, then they are called sulfonic acids. In the COOH acid functional group, here OH is replaced by OR. OR can be OCH3, OC2H5, OC3H7, so on. OR means alkoxy group. In an acid, if OH is replaced by alkoxy group, such compounds are called esters. Esters have pleasant smell. They are responsible for pleasant smell of fruits and certain flowers. Their IUPAC name generally is alkyl alkanoate. How to name we see in the next stage. First, let us be familiar with functional groups. Sir, what do we mean by a functional group? Functional group can be an atom or a group of atoms that gives characteristic properties to a organic compound. Highest priority functional group is carboxylic acid, where carbon is sp2 hybridized. Next one is sulfonic acid. Next one is ester, COOR, which is called as alkyl alkanoate. Next is in COOH, if OH is replaced by Cl, it is called acid chloride. If it is replaced by Br, acid bromide. If it is replaced by I, acid iodide, so on. COCl, COX, acid chlorides, their name end with oil chloride. Similarly, in COOH of carboxylic acid, OH is replaced by NH to make an acid amide. Their names end with amide. Okay, sir? And further we see compounds which have CN functional group. Here carbon is sp hybridized. In all carboxylic acid and their derivatives, carbon is sp2 hybridized. Here the CN, C triple bond N, carbon is sp hybridized, and the CN containing compounds are called nitriles. And the next functional group, C double bond OH. The carbon is sp2 hybridized, one side linked to hydrogen, the other side it can be linked to carbon chain. Such functional group is called aldehyde. Name of aldehyde end with Al. Al. Similarly, if the C double bond O functional group is linked this side to a carbon chain, this side also to a carbon chain, there is no hydrogen as in the case of aldehydes. It is called ketone. Name of ketone ends with one. A very popular ketone is nail polish remover. What is it? We see later on. Now, if the functional group is OH, such compounds which have OH functional group are called alcohols. The name of alcohol end with ol. If the functional group is NH2, then such compounds which have NH2 functional group are called amines. Their name end as amine only. If the C double bond C is functional group, then such compounds which have such functional group are alkenes. Their name end with in. Similarly, if C triple bond C is the functional group, such compounds which have only that functional group are called alkynes. The name ends with ine. So, I would say that this is the order of priority of functional groups. Notice that COOH functional group is highest important, most important functional group. Always the name oic acid takes importance over any other functional group if present. Next important functional group is SO3H. If a compound has only SO3H as a functional group, name ends as sulfonic acid. If a compound has both SO3H as well as COOH, Then COOH takes importance, name ends as oic acid, then SO3H will have a different name as sulfo and it becomes prefix. It means less important functional group name will come as a prefix. Most important functional group name will come as suffix. We will be learning all this in stages. Now we are seeing some standard examples. Okay, let us see. This compound has COOH functional group but only one carbon, hence it is called methanoic acid. One carbon is meth and methane, COOH is called oic acid. Methanoic acid is commonly known as formic acid. Formica means ant, it is found in ants. We get irritation due to ant bite because ant injects this particular acid into our system. Next, carboxylic acid which has two carbons. Because it has two carbons, it is called eth. Between carbon there is a single bond, so ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, commonly known as acetic acid. Diluted acetic acid is popularly known as vinegar solution, which is used by all of you to make certain food recipes. Now this compound, if you look at it, has three carbons and it is called propan because between carbons there is a single bond, propanoic acid. Notice COOH group is so important, you need not have to say one propanoic acid, it is always one. COOH position is always one, that's why called terminating functional group. No need to say the position of the COOH because it is always one. You look at this particular acid, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. Therefore, it is pent. Between carbons, there are single bonds on pentanoic acid. Look at this compound. This compound has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons. So, it is heptanoic acid, COOH is there. On the second carbon, there is chloro. On the third carbon there is bromo. So this compound must be called as 3-bromo because in alphabetical order Br comes first. 3-bromo 2-chloro heptanoic acid because it has 7 carbons. Notice, suppose if there is a double bond here, then it will become 2-chloro. I have to say 3-bromo first because alphabetical order. 3-bromo, 2-chloro, hept. At the beginning of 5th carbon there is double bond. So hept, 5-enoic acid. You got it? So this is the way it is named. 3-bromo, 2-chloro, hept, 5-enoic acid. Is that very clear? Now let us see next. This compound has two COOH groups. Because it has two carbons, it is called eth. Between carbons, there is a single bond, ethane dioic acid. Ethane dioic acid, popularly known as oxalic acid. Do you know calcium oxalate is kidney stone? Frequently encountered kidney stones are calcium oxalate. That is calcium salt of this acid, oxalic acid, or ethane dioic acid is IUPAC name. Next compound is, it has 1, 2, 3 carbons, so it is called propane dioic acid, commonly known as malonic acid. Next compound, if you look at, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. Because 4 carbons, it is but. Between carbons, single bond in butane. Because there are two COOH dioic acid. Butane dioic acid is commonly known as succinic acid. Anyway, next one is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons and this has two COOH groups. Obviously, it is pentane dioic acid, otherwise known as glutamic acid. Anyway, don't worry about common names. Now we are looking at next. This compound has both SO3H group, so it is methane sulfonic acid. Next compound is ethane sulfonic acid. Next compound has both COOH and SO3H. So importance will go to COOH. So it is to be called as butanoic acid. On third position there is SO3H, so it is called 3-sulfobutanoic acid. Further we will learn in the next video.